Hey guys, today we are 3D printing some awesome optical illusions. Check out this spinning top. It looks like it is floating in the air. This is a self-starting siphon. You just need to put it in the water. It automatically starts to flow water. Let's see it in action. This is a text flip illusion. Check out how cool it is. This is a cube illusion. It looks awesome. This is in or out arrow illusion. When you turn the sign, direction of the sign changes. That's it for today guys. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more awesome content. Bye bye.